Hi folks, thanks for coming to watch one more video at the ALIEXPRESS Sharing Knowledge. Today I'm going to talk about a problem with this coffee machine. This one is the Nescafé Dolce Gusto. You can see another video by clicking on the card on the top right, where I talk about the leakage at the retainer. It had a leaking at the retainer, so just need to replace this piece that I show in the other video, okay? Also, I had commented that it can leak here on the front. What people or repair store used to do when it's leaking from the front, they used to replace the diffuser plate. It's placed inside here. I'm going to show you. Besides that, I'm going to do a MacGyver or jerry on it, also known in my country as gambiarra. So this way you save some bucks without needing to buy a new diffuser plate, okay? To take the diffuser plate out, just insert the screwdriver in the hole and turn it up. There you go, it's released. As you can see here, let me focus it better. Hold on just a little bit. Here we go. Okay, as you can see here, I have placed the O-ring right here. You see? It's a kind of seal ring. Let me see if I found some here to show you. As you can see, you are going to pick a small one that fits over there. Don't ask me the size. I have no clue. I have bought a set of O-ring and picked the smaller one on that fit over there. Why the leak happens? As the rubber has worn out, it ends up leaking through the edges, consequently leaking from here and on the sides of the pot holder. I'm going to show you how to place the diffuser back. To put it back, you need to lift it up, lift the lever up, and the high part here, this one, you need to put on the back. So the diffuser goes here in the hole, you press it, and here you go. Let's see if it worked. Put a new pod in the holder and put the holder back and move down the locking handle. It leaked a little now because I have used the same pod for testing. Do not do it. Read the red warning below. Okay, now put your mug and turn it on. You see? Now it has stopped leaking on the back and on the edges. It was leaking all around here. So now it's fixed. Woohoo! This is a MacGyver you can do instead of buying a new diffuser plate if it's still good, the metal alloy on it. If this quick fix helped you, help me too by clicking on the thanks button below and leave your tip to literally buy a coffee. Good? Also click on the like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Don't forget to leave your like. See you. Bye bye.